In today's video, I'm going to show you how to aggregate data with the query function on the Google Sheets app using your iPhone. So if you want to organize some data, let's say on this example spreadsheet right here, what I want to do would be to combine all of the total of each movie budget and box office revenue according to genre. So I want to combine all the comedy movies, action movies, thrillers, and see their total budget and make a comparison right here on this spreadsheet. So I can easily do that with a query function. We're just going to use one function right here. Let's get started. We have our movie title, genre, budget, and box office revenue. So I'm going to put in my function right here on this cell. So to enter that formula, I'm going to tap on the formula bar right here at the bottom or this pen tool right here. There we go. Now we can enter our formula. So let's start with the equal sign, of course, then the letter Q. And again, just below that formula bar, we have the function suggestions, and we're just going to tap on the query right here. So here is our syntax. We have the data, the query, and if you have headers, you can include them as well. So I'm going to start with the data, and I'm just going to zoom out and select our data right here. I'm going to tap on that. Then drag on the bottom right corner to select my data right here. There you have it, comma. Now we're going to start with our query. Now, if you're not familiar with the query function yet, this is a very powerful function. I have a separate video about this, and I will be leaving a card at the top right corner for you to check out later. So going back to our function, let's start a query. We are going to put in our quotation marks. There we have it. And we're going to start with select, which is our genre column, column B. There we go, comma. Then we're going to get the sum of our budget right here. So that's column C. Put in sum. In open and close parentheses are column C. There you go, comma. We're also going to get the sum of our box office revenue. So again, sum. In open and close parentheses, column D, space. Then we can put in our clause of group by. So again, we're going to group this by our genre, which is column B. Your double quotation marks, and then tap on the check mark on the right side. And there you have it. We have quickly summarized and combined all of our data to get the sum total of our action movies, adventure, biography, and all of those genres right here to quickly make a comparison of our data. And if you want to quickly put a currency on this data right here, we can do so. Just select them, go to Format, select Cell, Number Format, and select your currency. And there you have it. We have successfully aggregated our data with the query function here in the Google Sheets app using our iPhone. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.